My name is Robert Brooks, and the class is ASDI 1402. In this video, I'm going to go over my Project 3 local storage project for ASDI. It was hard, but it was also fun at the same time. Learned a lot of new things. Um, First, we'll start with the app.js file. It is once again very clean. I don't like to put a lot of stuff on there, but I do have most of my stuff on or most of my code on my form .js file. Actually, the remainder of my code. Usually, I try and split it up into a couple, but I just found it a little easier to do it all in one. Anyways, back to the app.js. Basically, I've just created a navigation window, which I really didn't use much throughout it, but I kind of always like to start it that way. And on to the form. First thing I'm doing is opening my database, creating a table if it doesn't exist. I have 4 columns: first name, last name, email, password, all text. Create my table view. And the first thing I do is go ahead and set my get row data function, which is getting all the function from all the functions for the database. Basically, setting this function for everywhere else in the application. I use it several times. Then returning the data and setting the table with that function. Created a simple container with a form view. 4 different text fields. Once again, name, first name, last name, email, password. Have a submit button. Have an edit view for editing, and I created different fields for that view. I did separate them because I found that a little bit easier. So I have an edit first name, edit last name, edit email, edit pass, and I have a save button for that, and I have a cancel button as well. Let's see here. The submit button event listener. I went through and validated each one, and also if it wasn't filled out, it will send you an alert, but it will also put the box that was not filled out. It will change the color, the border color, to red. And then I cleared I cleared my fields here after submission. They returned the border color as well. And that's pretty much it. I have my edit options dialog that comes up, and I'm passing the row data through it, or excuse me, I'm passing it to my edit. I created an edit window, and here's my edit function and all that kind of good stuff. And then once again, using that get row data function to set the table view once the edit is done. And that's pretty much it. Let me show you a quick rundown here. So first, let's leave the first name blank, and let's put my last name and email at email. Let's say email at 12.com and just pass. Okay, now I go to submit it, and so please enter your first name, but it also has a red box around it as well. So and then I go to edit my first name, so just say Bob, or please put in a first name. I'll put Bob in there and submit, and everything. You notice the rows turn back, the red box goes out of it. If I was just trying to submit everything, it will say please enter all required fields, and until I enter that and submit, the boxes will not go back to normal. So then we go to view users, and these are some ones that I already had in there. First way to edit it would just be to click on it or touch it. You can edit it, and I'll just take this off. Bob, submit, info updated, and it turned it to Bob. Now delete, you can do the same thing. You can click it, delete it from there, or you can do a slide to the left and delete it from there. And that just kind of does that. And then the other thing is the cancel button, and it works just like that. Going back to the first screen. So Well, I enjoyed the project, and I look forward to week 4. Thank you.